In this video, guys, I want to talk about what to do when you have plastic door parts and panels that pop off. So this is our 17-year-old Honda Element, and this is kind of the rear door area. And I'm going to show you something. When I close the door, you'll see this panel kind of pop off. And I apologize, guys, I'm not on the tripod right now. All right, so as you can see, this just kind of popped off, and if I do it again, it'll just come off just like that, okay? So the issue with these things is that as plastic ages, you just get kind of a shrinking effect or less grip. So this little portion right here, what I'm going to do is I'm going to just sand it down real gently with maybe some, 100 grit, and I'm going to put some Loctite and baking powder on this, and build this up a little bit so that's a little bit thicker, so this will adhere to the door better, and when it closes it won't pop off or fall off. Okay, so I'm now inside on the tripod, guys, and I've got my Loctite, and what I did is this area right here, I basically just sanded a little bit and then used some glass cleaner. You can also use rubbing alcohol. You just want this area right here to be real clean before you try to apply your Loctite. So, okay, got a little glob of Loctite. We're just going to glob this up a little bit. Not too much, but just a nice amount. Nice thin amount of Loctite. And then take some baking soda. And then we're just going to take the baking soda and build this up a little bit. And what's going to happen is that little section right here is going to be built up and become rock hard. When I take this outside and I blow off all of the other baking soda, this part is going to remain, and there's a chemical reaction where this happens really fast. And so this immediately hardens right here and gives you just, maybe like a, half a millimeter or so of extra material that sticks out, that can grab on, and to keep this panel from popping out in the future when you close the door. So anyway, let's head back downstairs to the garage and see if this works. All right, guys, back in the garage, not on the tripod, so I apologize for a little bit of camera shake, but you can see right there, it's got that little section built up, and we're going to go ahead and install this thing right back in here. Okay, it looks good. The question is, when I shut the door, does it pop out again? Here we go. 1. Looking good. 2. Looking good. 3rd one, let's do it harder. Excelente, guys. So anyway, that made a huge difference. It made really a massive difference. And just want to encourage you that this is a great way to repair things that are starting to pop off and come off. I've had this happen on like all my vehicles over the years, and be ashamed to get rid of a vehicle because it's giving you these kinds of problems. Because these aren't very big problems, especially if you know how to deal with them. So anyway, there's other areas on this car where the same thing has happened. Left turn signal on the front did the same thing. I used the same technique, and now that's fixed. So just wanted to share this with you guys. Hope you guys are doing well, and I will talk to you guys in the next video. Take care.